How to sign up for DoorDash. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign up for DoorDash, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to sign up for DoorDash, all you have to do is open up the DoorDash application, and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface that asks you to log in. So here you can choose to continue with the email, Google, Facebook or Apple ID if you want to sign up using those. If you want to create an independent email address and password, you can tap on continue with email. Then you can make sure to enter the email address and make sure you have access to that email address, and then create a password, and you will be able to finish signing up for DoorDash. The easier way I would recommend is, because I use it personally, I just tap on continue with Google or Facebook or Apple ID if you're using it on iPhone, and then you'll be able to go ahead and basically finish creating your DoorDash account. That's all it takes to sign up on DoorDash. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.